Hi guys, welcome back to High Universal Cut. Today I want to teach us how to barb low cut. Low cuts, some persons think that low cut is simple, but low cut is not simple, but you will not know. Now today I'll be teaching us how to barb low cut. There are two types of low cuts. There is one you use step one, and there is one you use your normal blade. So this hair now, I've cut this hair before, so I know what I want to do for him. He normally let this hair come down, so I'm going to barb it with normal low cut blade. Understand? So it is going to be normal low cut blade. So how are we going to do it? Remember, the first thing you need to do, anything you are doing, once it concerns barbing of hair, the first thing you need to do is to brush the hair. If it's low cut, the way this one is now, you brush it. Not that some of us don't know how to brush hair. Not that you just be brushing like this. No, brush hair according to how the hair grows, according to the hair texture. This is how to brush hair. You understand now? You brush it. After you brush it finish, you sterilize your clipper as usual. Then you sterilize your clippers as usual. After you have sterilized the clipper as usual, make sure that your customer is sitting very well so that it's not disturbing you. Understand? So after this now, the next thing you need to do, I've sterilized the clip already, so I've done that. So this is low cut now. It's going to come down, so I'm going to put it on normal low cut blade, and watch how this hair grows. This is the hair texture. It goes like this, it comes like this, it comes like this. This is the normal proper way of brushing hair. Understand? So after you have brushed it finish, you put it on your what? On low cut. You put it on low cut level. You put it on low cut. Set it on low cut blade. Bring it down. This is skin. Bring the gel down. This is low cut. After this, the next thing you need to do, watch the way I'm positioning my hand, what way I'm holding my hand. Now, barbing of low cut. See, I do tell people that afro and other haircuts are very simple. Low cuts and skin, they are the most difficult hairstyle to barb, but most of us don't know. Now, if you are barbing this haircut, you need to follow it accordingly, texture it very well. Understand? Now, let's go. I've found my clipper. See it, this is skin. I bring the gel up, I bring the gel down. This is what? This is low cut. You follow it. Watch what I'm doing. Now, watch what I'm going to do here now. I'll bring here down. Here you barb it again so that it is smooth. If you like barb it from now to tomorrow, it will not pass like this because you have set the blade. Understand? You brush it. You brush it. Watch. Can you see how it's going? You brush it. Make sure you are brushing it down. Can you see it? Can you see it? Brush it. You follow it accordingly. Where you barb it again. Anywhere you barb it again so that it is smooth. Anywhere you barb it again so that it is smooth. It will not look as if you are just barbing the hair, it will look anyhow. Anywhere you barb. That's why I told us that barbing is all about patience and calculation. Can you see how it's going? This is how you are going to do it. Barbing is sweet, like seriously. Watch how my hand is going. Watch the way I'm holding my clipper. Remember, I told us that Once you know how to control your clipper, how to set your blade, when to use steps, you are a professional already. Understand? So after this now, the next thing you need to do, just be brushing the hair. Can you see how neat it is? Can you see how neat it is? Remember I told us that you have to texture the hair very well. Here now, some of us don't know. Listen, this is where hair normally start from. All this hair that you see for here, this is their main root. So if you don't know how to barb hair, it will be difficult. That's why sometimes if you do it very well, you will not understand this. This is where hair normally starts from. It sprout out from this place and it's very very difficult to barb. That's why if you not texture it very well, you chop the hair. You chop the hair. So watch how the hair grows. See, the hair comes like this. That is how you are going to follow it. Watch it. Can you see it? This is how the hair grows. Follow it very well. Follow it very well. And make sure you are brushing it so that you will not chop the hair. Do you understand? So that you will not chop the hair. Hope you are getting something. Hope you are learning something. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are welcome. And if you are learning something from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It will not remove anything from your body. Subscribe to be part of this family. Anything that is difficult for you, ask us. Feel free to ask questions. Ask. Feel free to ask questions. Now after this one now, remember this place now, you raise your clipper up, you blend it up so that it is smooth very well. You see, it is smooth very well. Remember, it's under low cut blade. You understand what I'm saying? Now watch here, you follow it. Can you see now? Everything is uniform, right? Everything is uniform. Can you see it? So barbing is sweet. You can see it, right? Everything is uniform. So after this, we are good to go. So guys, you know this camera is not clear. It's an Android. It's not clear. So if I should go to the other side now, it will not clear at all. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop it here. What I do there is what I should do the other side. Understand? So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright guys, see you in the next videos. Anything that you don't understand, write it in the comment section. I will attend to it. So like I said, what I do there is what I'm going to do to this side. Because of the camera, it will not be bright enough. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, invite your friends to come and benefit from this. I love you all guys. See you in the next video.